Recession threatens the world. Choose gold or Forex investment. The current state of the world economy is uncertain. Recession, which is defined as a slowdown in economic activity in two consecutive quarters or more in 1 year, has become a scourge for every country in the world. This happened since the trade war between the United States and China hit in early 2018. As a result of the trade war, in addition to threatening economic growth, financial market conditions are also affected. Financial markets are becoming more volatile. As a result, many investors move their funds to safe haven assets or assets that have less risk. Safe haven assets include gold and foreign exchange or Forex. However, which asset is more profitable to be an investment choice in the midst of this uncertain world economic condition? According to Maxco futures analyst Sulu Adil Wicaksono, gold and foreign exchange actually have their respective advantages. Therefore, these two instruments can be chosen. We see sometimes when the price of gold goes up, foreign exchange also goes up. Especially we see the dollar. When the dollar goes up, gold goes up. That's something that we rarely encounter but often happens. These are some options that can be chosen besides gold. Actually, foreign currencies such as the dollar are of course a safe haven, followed by the Japanese yen and then the Swiss franc. But the trend is what makes the difference. Gold always rises at this time. Furthermore, Sully explained that these two instruments can be used as short-term and long-term investments. However, according to Sulu, before someone disburses their funds for investment, it is better to first study the historical records of the movement of investment instruments as well as future risk in making any investment, whether in gold or foreign exchange, whether physically or online. The most important thing, the most important thing is how we start learning first.